Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, and I'm back looking at more Year of Gear 2020. This time we have some gear gossip, if you like. This picture has been doing the rounds online since last night. And what it seems to show is a new Steve Vai signature model. Now, when I did the Ibanez gear review, when I looked through the upcoming 2020 models, one of the observations that you guys made in the comment section was that there was no Steve Vai signature model, or at least no new Steve Vai signature model. And I am aware that Ibanez are announcing more things at NAMM. And it looks like this may potentially be one of the things that they are going to be announcing. So by the looks of things, again, information extremely thin on the ground with this. What we have is a Steve Vai gem style guitar, Tree of Life inlays. And the main difference being that the monkey grip has disappeared and we now have these two sort of tear-shaped cutouts in the guitar. Not overly crazy on it myself. Available in your classic white, stallion white that is, panther pink, envy green, and sundew gold. Now I do enjoy the sundew gold, that is very cool. Aside from that, it's impossible to read the specs on these. We can see that there's an older body, rosewood board, there's some DiMarzio pickups, etc. It'd be the Edge Low Pro 3 tremolo, I am assuming. That looks like luminlay side dots potentially, and then something hard case. That would probably say hard case. Yeah, so that will make sense. The thing to note here is the text just above that is PIA, or Steve Vai's wife's name. So it seems that this may be a new Steve Vai model named after Steve's wife. Having said that, here's the fun part. This is purely speculative. Ibanez have not told me this. Ibanez have not confirmed this with me. Ibanez have not confirmed this to be true. For all we know, this could be a lovely Photoshop. It could be a lovely Photoshop. We are not entirely sure. List price and MAP have been put at the bottom there. I'm entirely unsure. I lean towards this probably being true, but like I say, it is absolutely impossible to know for sure. I guess the question that I have to ask you guys is, what do you think of this particular model? To me, I could be totally wrong on this, these just look like bog standard gems with a different handle on them. Cool. In some slightly more interesting colours. As I say, I really like the gold one. But that list price and that MAP, $3,500. I just don't know if I see it personally. Having said that, I've never been a huge fan of the Steve Vai signature models anyway. So, ultimately, what do I know? What do you guys think, though? Is this something that you would be interested in picking up? Is this something you'd be interested in trying out? Do you think these are legitimate, or do you think these are convincing Photoshops? Totally interested to know your thoughts. Let me know in that comment section below. And lastly, huge thank you to supporters over on Patreon. You keep videos like this coming to me. Ibanez will probably be rather upset that I'm talking about this particular model. They probably want this to, if it is real, they will probably want this to be, announced at NAMM. But I can't not talk about it. It's there, and I don't want people to not know about things that are happening on the scene. So this is very interesting, and you guys allow me to remain independent and to be able to cover things like this. So thank you very much for that. If you would like to check me out on Patreon, you can do so by clicking this button up here, subscribe by clicking this button down here. 2 more videos here and here, Ibanez videos. Check them out. Some great guitars coming out from Ibanez this year. I personally don't think this is one of them. But check me when I get that seafoam green model. Much love. See you for another video soon. Laters.